Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to DFX family, and I believe that guys, you are doing great. All right, in this video, we are going to do a very fast or very quick analysis and show you our today's signals, the way they behaved, the way we performed, because this is a copier. Okay, this is a personal, it's called personal copier. Let's go for the other one, because that one is with a big account. Let's go for the normal one, the one that we are performing. Okay, these are the today's signals. There were two signals, and you can see, let someone not lie to you like, oh, let's profit. We can see we have some losses here, but it was totally 100% recovered. As I said, you can never blow your account, and total profit here is $111. Let's go to this account again. You can see we have some losses also at this point, right? You can see we have some losses, but you can never compare a profit with the losses, because as you can see, this account is at least it's a big account, $1,700. And let's see the equity of this. You can see we are in 40 something dollars. So this means it made more than almost what we call like 15-20% of the account. And now let's go direct now to our technical analysis, how the performance, to remind you, and how you can get easily to trade with this system, because remember, we are training you, you are earning as you learn. This is why we are offering Copier to everyone with a lifetime license of signal generating EA, together with the SMC Sniper. So if you have SMC Sniper, make sure you purchase lifetime of signal generating EA in order to get this lifetime copier for free. Why are we offering lifetime copier for free? And why are we suggesting to have SMC and SMC Sniper and a signal generating EA? This signal generating EA is the copy of SMC Sniper, and also we want you to bank in all dimensions. So some of the trades will be picked automatically with the SMC, while we are training or mentoring you on how to scalp gold on minute 3. This is why you must have signal generating EA also in order to be to get our copier for free. So this means that you are earning as you learn. So we help you earn, because these all signals are from the signal generating EA. All right, let me set a comment. You can see they are all from signal generating EA, not from SMC. So the SMC is different. It will be banking automatically, while signal generating EA, it is the one that we are using in Copier. So you must have the Copier in order to have the services. Okay, now let's do analysis, because it is good to train you on how we do this analysis. All right, as you can see, let's go to minute 15 here. One of the things that it's very, very, very professional. As you can see here, we had an liquidity that showed us to buy. But as you can see in this area, we were in a resistance, yet we got a buy, because this is the confirmation from our big time frame that the liquidity has have been already swept, and that means even to other time frame, and now we can rely this signal to buy. But you can see the market did not went up, or the buyers did not take control, but the sellers are the one who are strong in the market. So what will help you a lot not to enter into, or not to be trapped by the market makers? As you can see, our system has already told you, or shown you already, indicate that we are in a resistance. So don't rely with this buy. Let me zoom so you can see the what market makers does. As you can see, we have a very strong breakout candle, and the candle broke our high, right? And then now here, then liquidity, the sellers take control after the breakout. Instead of the market buying, the sellers took control, and instantly the market started dropping. All right, that is one thing that you should learn about. Now, in order to avoid this, we are already seeing that we are in a resistance. So unless now we have the other confirmation before we take trade. So we don't take trades because the higher time frame has a alert or a signal. That's when now we go to minute 3 and see the breakout that happened at that point. This is the breakout that happened at that point, and then the market did not went up but dropped the sellers to control. What is our strategy? Our strategy, as you can see, the market went up, all right? That is the breakout that happened. Then the market drop, went up and go down. What did I told you about our entry? Let me bring up my pen so that I can remind you. This is how the strategy works. So we all know we were waiting for the market to create an internal structure, whereby this is the internal structure that was created. Then the market dropped. And when it went up, goes up and break this structure, then we are very concerned with the breakout that will happen here. If it happens with a good strong candle like this one, that is when we enter the market. For instance, I just want you to check how this market went, all right? Here, some people can think there is a breakout. No, then the market came down, all right? Went up, and as you can see, this is a breakout candle that was formed at this area. Then from there, we can enter the trade direct, expecting that market can reverse, or maybe sometimes the market won't reverse and go up. Then when the market reverses something like this, then we continue adding more position. And I think I have already shared on how you can set that on your system so that it can add more position. Then when the market goes up and hit this area, then we are closed. So this means when we entered this market here, it's good to know why some losses. Those were the direct order execution. Then the market reversed, and when the market went to this area, it is not a must. It is not a must for the market to reach to our TP. We can close them manually, or we can let the EA close at this area. This is why some of the trades are in negative, not because the EA hit the stop loss, but because some of the trade were not yet reached, but we were already in the profit. Why? Because the market can reach to our swing high, then the market can drop. So it is better to exit in the market either 80% before reaching this area, and that's what we have set on our system, that 80% before reaching this area, only 20% to our high, then it can exit from the market. 20% from our low, then it can exit the market, because sometimes it is not a must for the market to reach to your resistance, like this area reach to that point, then it can continue dropping, all right? So sometimes it's not a must for the market to reach here. According to the behavior of gold, then this is not, it is good to exit at this point. Then here we can buy this market, but you can see this candle, it is not a good strength candle that broke our high, or else we would have entered that market at this point if this one also would have been broke the high with the candle, a very strong candle like this one, or even the second one. It's still good because it shows the momentum. But here you can see they are fighting. And if you have been paying closely to what has happening in the market, the market is the gold has been consolidating, right? So but thank God, because of our strategy is hit and run. So what do you really need to understand about the system? We are on our free course, we have been sharing every details that you really know you need to understand before taking trades. Let me go back here. Now, this our breakout. Let me draw a line here because it is very, very important to see our breakout candle at this point. Know that one. This is our breakout. This is our breakout candle because this was our high. Now, guys, I just want to see for you to watch this area, what happened into that point and what was filled by this candle according to the secret I shared with you on our dynamic courses. And that is one of the reason as to why we bought this trade. confidently knowing that you can see it will go up. Now you can see, according to the secret of filling gaps, the feelings of the weeks ABCD, you can see how profitable or how reliable they are when it comes to a good strength breakout candle that fills our secret. So that's all you need to understand before buying this, and we are sharing that on our dynamic courses. So that is one of the reasons as to why we buy this market. The second thing, now, we can wait for the market because it has already created an internal structure, but this one, we call them internal or inside bars. So this inside bars, because they haven't broke the high of this candle and the low of this candle. So this one, they are not countable. But now we can wait for the market whether to break this point and think if we can sell, or if the market will go and break this candle. So this is what is called a single order block. So if the market break this single candle at this point, because it is a single order block, but as a single order block, we are waiting for the market either to break down or to break up. So that is one of the reasons as to why now we cannot enter this market, because this candle that broke our swing high, we cannot enter with it because it's not a good strength candle for buy. All right. So mastering this system, it's very simple. We are sharing every details to our dynamic courses, but let me break them out. What we are using on minute 10 and minute 20 and minute 15, it is only confirmation in this swing high and low of the market where they are. Remember, we have the confirmation template 1 and template 2. So it is not a hard work. Everything is there. Everything is there. We have confirmation minute 15 1, and we have second minute 15 confirmation. We already shared that. Those are the things we are trying to take you through, because you are not analyzing 100 things or what the market is behaving. You are only needed to master. You only need to master the chart. Then from there, you are good to go. And before you catch up with all those mastering the chart or mastering on how to trade gold, how to scalp gold in minute 3, this is why we are offering you a free what we call a free copier in order for you to make money as you learn. So you can see, even if you are busy, even if you are employed, it doesn't matter if you don't have time, as long as you have signal generating EA for lifetime, you'll be earning through our copier, because all you need it is to register with FX Blue, then you link your account with ours, and we are good to go. I think you know what to do. So guys, those are our so far today's signal. It's still early. It is 11 a.m. On my side, 15 minutes to 12. We are still expecting to get more signal. This means it's a daily banking, because we started yesterday, and you can see it is a daily income. That's all I have to say then, to motivate you guys that the things are serious. And this year, remember, on from March, we are going to have this year challenge kickoff from, it will kick off from March. So it's better now to start growing your account, and we are helping you to do that, because in Forex market, there is more than enough for every trader. So thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.